Sales. The word alone can make people cringe. It conjures up images of relentless cold calls, endless rejections, and the pressure to meet quotas. It feels pushy, awkward, and downright difficult. Many people dread the thought of having to sell something, fearing the discomfort and potential failure. You're not alone if you feel this way. Countless individuals share this sentiment, feeling overwhelmed by the very idea of sales. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be a constant uphill battle? Imagine a world where sales is not a daunting task, but a manageable process. The truth is, sales can be a grind, but it doesn't have to be a mountain. It's about finding the right approach and mindset. It's about working smarter, not harder. Leveraging tools and techniques can make the process more efficient and less stressful. It's about understanding people, connecting with them, and providing value. Building genuine relationships can transform the sales experience. The key to unlocking effortless sales success lies in shifting your perspective and mastering a few key principles. These principles can turn the grind into a rewarding journey. We're going to break down these barriers together, step by step. By understanding each stage of the sales process, you can navigate it with confidence. Get ready to embrace a new era of sales, one where you're not just closing deals, you're building relationships. This new approach will not only help you succeed, but also make the journey enjoyable and fulfilling. First things first. Your mindset is everything. It sets the tone for your actions and decisions. A positive, determined mindset can be the difference between success and failure. If you approach sales with fear and doubt, you're already fighting a losing battle. Instead, shift your perspective. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow and learn. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. See yourself as a problem solver, a guide, someone who helps people get what they need and want. Set bold financial goals. These goals should stretch you, push you out of your comfort zone, and inspire you to take action. Don't be afraid to dream big. Big dreams ignite passion and drive. They give you a reason to wake up every morning with enthusiasm and purpose. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it fuels your actions and propels you forward. A vision board can be a powerful tool to keep your goals in sight and your motivation high. This isn't about greed, it's about ambition and creating a life you're excited about. It's about setting a standard for yourself and striving to meet it every day. Remember, your mindset is a self-fulfilling prophecy. What you believe about yourself and your abilities will manifest in your actions and results. Believe in yourself, believe in your product or service, and believe in your ability to connect with people. The rest will follow. Confidence is contagious, and when you exude it, others will believe in you too. Sales is all about communication, but not in the way you might think. It's not just about talking. It's about connecting on a deeper level. It's not about bombarding people with information or being the loudest voice in the room. In fact, that can often be counterproductive. It's about listening, understanding, and building genuine connections. When you truly listen, you can understand the needs and concerns of others. Ask questions, pay attention to their answers, and tailor your approach accordingly. This shows that you value their input and are willing to adapt. People can tell when you're genuinely interested in helping them, and that's when trust begins to form. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. Mastering communication is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Regularly engage in conversations, seek feedback, and continuously improve. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Talk to people and refine your approach along the way. Each interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow. The more you communicate, the more natural and effortless it will become. Over time, you'll find that effective communication becomes second nature, empowering you to achieve your goals. Section 4, money talks. Get comfortable. Let's face it, talking about money can be uncomfortable. But here's the thing, money is simply a tool, a means to an end. It allows you to live your life, pursue your passions, and make a difference in the world. Embrace your money identity. Get comfortable discussing pricing, value, and return on investment. When you're confident in your worth and the value you provide, it shows. Remember, you're not being pushy by discussing money. You're having an open and honest conversation about the exchange of value. Section 5, selling with heart. Connect emotionally. People buy from people they like and trust. It's not just about the product or service itself. It's about the emotional connection you create. Share your story, be authentic, and show your personality. They let people see the human behind the sale. When you connect on an emotional level, you're no longer just selling a product or service. You're offering a solution, an experience, a feeling. And that's what people truly remember and connect with. Section 6, follow-up. Like a pro, be persistent, not pushy. In the world of sales, the fortune is in the follow-up. Most sales aren't made on the first interaction. It takes persistence, dedication, and a genuine desire to help. Follow up with leads, nurture relationships, and stay top of mind. But remember, there's a fine line between persistence and being pushy. Your follow-up should be valuable, providing additional information, addressing concerns, or simply checking in. Be patient, be understanding, and remember that every interaction is an opportunity to build a stronger connection. Section 7, level up. Your game, free ebook on AI in digital marketing. You've got the mindset, the communication skills, and the heart. Now, it's time to take your sales game to the next level with the power of technology. Download my free ebook, AI in Digital Marketing, and discover how artificial intelligence is transforming the sales landscape. You'll learn how to leverage AI to automate tasks, personalize your outreach, and close more deals. Don't miss out on this game-changing resource. Download your free copy today and unlock the future of sales success.